Welcome back, guys. For today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a super delicious and easy egg fried rice that's way better than any takeout. You can have it as a side or as a main dish. That one's up to you. Now let's get to the ingredients so your cooking can be easy and fast. For the sauce, we're going to go ahead and use some soy sauce, sesame oil, hoisin sauce, and a little bit of white pepper. For the vegetables, we're going to keep it super simple. I like to use frozen ones because it's fast, and we're going to use some green onions. Now, if you have fresh vegetables like carrots and onions, go ahead and use them fresh. I just want to do it really easy and really fast. For the other protein we're going to go with eggs because obviously it's an egg fried rice, so you need your eggs. We're going to use a little bit of minced garlic. And for the final ingredient, we have to use 1 day old rice. If you want the best fried rice, it has to be 1 day old. That way it doesn't become mush because if it's fresh, it's super chewy. And when you cook it, it becomes like, ugh. And we don't want that. Let's go ahead and start making the sauce. For that, we're gonna go ahead and use a little bit of soy sauce. I like to use low sodium, but you can use the fresh one, that's okay. Then a little bit of hoisin sauce, a dash of white pepper, and don't worry, I got the recipe in the description. And finally, a little sesame oil. This one makes it super delicious. Make sure you mix this really well so you don't get any lumps. Now we can place it to the side and we can start to cook. Finally, we can go ahead and start cooking. For that, we're gonna go ahead and get a wok, or if you don't have one, you can use a regular pan. Then we're gonna go ahead and get oil, and we're gonna put enough just to cover the bottom. Roughly 2 to 3 tablespoons. Once your oil starts to smoke, we're gonna add your frozen vegetables, your garlic, and your green onions. Then you wanna go ahead and cook this for about 30 seconds, or until the garlic smells really nice. Now, because they're frozen, we don't wanna overcook them. We don't want them to become mush. Once the veggies are cooked, we're gonna go ahead and set them to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and drop 2 eggs. Then we're gonna go ahead and scramble them really well, combining both of them together. Just like this. After your eggs get scrambled really well with your frozen vegetables, we're gonna go ahead and add your day-old rice. Then go ahead and add all of your stir-fry sauce, and then mix it until it fully combines. Finally, we're gonna go ahead and top it off with some fresh green onions. Now, finally, for the best part, I have to give it a quick taste test. Let's see. Ooh, I don't want to break it because it looks really nice, but my hunger is way more. Okay. Oh, wow. Man, that's way better than Panda for sure. The first thing I can tell you is that thanks to the day-old rice, the rice was able to get the sauce without becoming mush. The eggs were fried really well with the veggies, allowing it to become super fluffy. And yes, even though the veggies are frozen, they still taste super phenomenal with that garlic in it. Everything else with the sauce, it just made it combine perfectly. And this one I can guarantee you it tastes better than any restaurant. If you want to make it a full entree, you can go ahead and add some chicken or some pork. Now, with that being said, don't forget to hit that follow for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. And if you want more lunch or dinner ideas, go ahead and click the video right here. Until next time, it was literally that easy.